Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics chapter number 8 continuation of exercise 8.1 of problem number 12. We are asked to find out the standard deviation. Look at that class interval 21 to 24, 25 to 28. No continuity at all here because it ends with the 24, it starts with the 25. The continuity must be there. It should be a continuous frequency distribution so that in 21 reduce 0.5, in 24 you have to increase 0.5. You'll be getting 20.5, here 24.5, like that. Here 24.5, here 28.5, goes on, okay, up to 44.5. Then a number of plates that should be considered as F. That's a frequency. Then you have to find out that standard deviation, okay. Here is the question number 12. In 21, 24, 25, 20, no continuity also that the lower interval have reduced to 0.5. Look at that, 20.5. In the upper interval have increased 0.5. That is 24.5, like that. Even for the last one, 41 to 44, you have to reduce 0.5. You will be getting 40.5. Here you have to increase 0.5. You will be getting 44.5. Look at that. Right now, we have to find out the mid value. So 20.5 and 24.5, the middle number is. For getting the middle number, just add the two numbers, 20.5 and 24.5. If we add, you will be getting 45. 45 divided by 2, that is equal to 22.5. That is the middle number. 22.5. Like that here, 26.5, 30.5. 34.5, 38.5, 42.5. Okay, that should be considered as xi. Now fi, that is a frequency that is given here in the question, 15, 18, 20. 15, 18, 20, 16, 8 and 7. 16, 8 and 7. Di, that is equal to xi minus a. This is xi. A, that is called assumed mean. In xi, you have to find out the mid value. We have two middle numbers. In xi, we have the two middle numbers. Consider any one of them, either to a 30.5 or 34.5. I go for 34.5. A, that is equal to 34.5. Let a, that is equal to 34.5. Okay, now here xi, that is equal to 22.5. 22.5 minus 34.5, because minus a. If you subtract, you are getting minus 12. 26.5 minus 34.5, that is equal to minus 8. 30.5 minus 34.5, that is equal to minus 4. 34.5 minus 34.5, that is equal to 0. 38.5 minus 34.5, that is equal to 4. 42.5 minus 34.5, that is equal to 8. Here, look at that, minus 12 to 8. Each and every number can be divided by 4 at the maximum, 4. So, you have to consider C, that is equal to 4, you divide by C. C value is 4, right? So, each and every number should be divided by 4. 4, 4 and 4 equals. Minus 12 by 4, that is equal to minus 3. Divide minus 2, minus 1, 0 by anything is 0, 4 by 4 is 1, 8 by 4 is 2. Now, look at that, we have di square. Di square means this is di value, each and every value, minus 3. Minus 3 square, that is equal to 9. Minus 2 square is 4. Minus 1 square is 1. 0 square is 0. 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. Now, fi into di. Fi here it is 15 into minus 3. Di value here it is. 15 into minus 3 is minus 45. 18 into minus 2 minus 36. 20 into minus 1 minus 20. 16 into 0 is 0. 8 1s are 8. 7 2s are 14. Finally, fi should be multiplied with the di square. Di square here it is, fi here it is, multiply 15 into 9, 135. 18 into 4, that is equal to 72. 20 into 1 is 20. 16 into 0 is 0. And 8 ones are 8. 7 fours are 28. Right? Now, we have to find out the summation for fi di and fi di square. First, fi summation. 15 plus 18, 33. 33 plus 20 is 53. 53 plus 16, that is equal to 69. 69 plus 8, that is equal to 77. 77 plus 7, that is equal to 84. Now, fi di summation. 14 plus 8, 22. 22 minus 20, that is equal to 2. 2 minus 36 equal to minus 34. Minus 34 minus 45, that is equal to minus 79. Next, fi di square summation. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15 plus 8, 23. Balance 2. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 7. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 31. 1 plus 1, 2. 263. Now we can go for the standard deviation. Standard deviation, since we have introduced C, we can go for that step deviation method. Standard deviation is represented by the formula symbol sigma C into square root of sigma fi di square divided by n minus sigma fi di by capital N the whole square. That is the formula. That is equal to C value, that is equal to 4. Here it is. 4 into square root of fi di squared value, sigma value 263 divided by capital N value is 84 minus sigma fi di value, here it is minus 79 divided by 84, and capital N value is 84 the whole square. Okay, now I have to divide 4 into 263 divided by 84. First write 4 into, then 263 divided by 84. 4 into square root of 263 divided by 84, approximate value 3.13 minus 79 by 84, here it is a 0.94, approximate value minus 94 the whole square. That is equal to 4 into square root of 3.13 minus 0.94 the whole square. 0.94 into 0.94. While squaring, minus become plus. You have to multiply 0.94 two times. Here is the calculation. 0.94 into 0.94 equals 0.8836. 0.8836. Now 4 into square root of, we have to subtract 3.13 minus 0.8836. Have to subtract, you can put 0 over here. Have to borrow, if you borrow 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. It will be 9. 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. Since we have borrowed 2 will be there. 2 and 8, you have to borrow again. 12 minus 8, that is equal to 4. 0 will be there. Then you have to borrow 10 minus 8, that is equal to 2. Here 2 will be there. 2.2464. 2.2464 equals 4 into, we have to find out the square root of 2.2464. 2.2464, you can add n number of zeros after that. Okay. In integral part we have the number 2, so that you can go up to 1 only. 1 is 1. Then subtract. If you subtract 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. You have to bring down two numbers, that is 24. Keep the decimal point over here. Then you have to multiply 1 by 2. 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Here, how many times we can go? Up to 4 times only. Because if you take 5, here also you have to put 5. 5 into 25, that is equal to 125. We have only 24. So 124. So that 4 times only. Here 4, here also 4. 4 into 24, that is equal to 96. Subtract 14 minus 6, that is equal to 8. So 1 will be there. 11 minus 9, that is equal to 2. Then you have to bring down 2 more digits, that is 64. Multiply, it should be considered as 14. 14 into 2, that is equal to 28. How many times we can go? Can go up to that 9 times. 9, here also 9. To multiply, 9 9s are 81, balance 8. 9 8s are 72 plus 8, that is 80, balance 8. 9 2s are 18 plus 8, that is equal to 26. Then you have to subtract, you'll be getting 3, 6, 2, 263. Then I have to bring down 2 more digits, that is 0, double 0. Then 149 into 2, have to consider as 149 multiplied by 2, you are getting 298. Okay. Then maximum we can go that up to 8 times. Here also 8. Multiply, 8 8s are 64, balance 6. 8 8s are 64 plus 6, that is equal to 70, balance 7. 8 9s are 72 plus 7, that is equal to 79, balance 7. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 7, that is equal to 23. Subtract 6, 9, here 2, 12 minus 9, 3. Here 5 will be there, 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. 2 minus 2, 0. That's all. It is enough to 1.498. That is the approximate value right over here, 1.498. Now I have to multiply. 4 8s are 32, balance 3. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3, that is equal to 39, balance 3. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, that is equal to 19, balance 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. Here after decimal point we have 3 digits. So after 3 digits keep the decimal points. The 5.992, that is the approximate value. So here you can write approximate value approximately, since it is 0.99. If we add 1 with that integral part, we can write 6. 5.99, that is approximately equal to 6. Okay. That's all. Problem number 12 is completed. I'll be teaching problem number 13 in the next video. Thank you, children.